Friday, April 13, 2029. A once-in-a-lifetime event unfolds in our night sky. A point of light streaks across the stars, not a meteor, not a plane. It's 99942 Apophis, the asteroid nicknamed after the Egyptian god of chaos. Roughly 340 to 375 meters across, taller than the Eiffel Tower, and hurtling by at over 30 kilometers per second, or 108,000 kilometers per hour. Discovered in 2004, early models gave it a scary 2.7% chance of slamming into Earth that very day. But decades of tracking, radar, telescopes, nailed it down. Zero impact risk for at least the next 100 years. How close does it get? About 31,600 to 32,000 kilometers from Earth's surface, closer than geostationary satellites at 36,000 kilometers. The Moon is 384,000 kilometers away. Apophis dives way inside that zone. For viewers in Europe, Africa, and parts of Asia, it'll glow at magnitude 3.1, naked eye bright, like stars in the Big Dipper, slowly drifting northwest across constellations from Centaurus to Perseus. Billions could watch it live. But the real story happens to Apophis itself. It's likely a rubble pile, loosely bound rocks, boulders, and dust held by weak gravity. As it plunges into Earth's gravitational field, tidal forces pull unevenly, the near side harder than the far side. That could spark asteroid-quakes, trigger landslides, shift boulders, and expose fresh, unweathered material hidden for billions of years. Models suggest changes to its spin state, possible partial resurfacing, and a permanent tweak to its solar orbit, turning it from an Aten to an Apollo-class asteroid. This isn't destruction, it's a free, natural experiment. Scientists will watch tidal forces reshape a world in real time. Data from missions like ESA's Ramses, rendezvousing pre-flyby, and NASA's OSIRIS-APEX, arriving post-flyby, will teach us how to deflect future threats. Apophis went from nightmare to teacher, reminding us our solar system is alive, dynamic, and we're lucky to witness it safely. What do you think? Should we send a lander to ride along and watch the changes up close, or keep our distance? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this blew your mind, smash like, subscribe to Mind Sprints. We dive into cosmic wonders weekly. See you in the next one.